guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, and today we're going to be making a gun with a snake puzzle. So let's get started. So this is how you make the gun. You count 1, 2, and then the third one up and turn it this way. So then you count 1, 2, and bend the second one down. So then you go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bend the seventh one up. So then you count 1, 2, and bend the second one like this. So then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and bend the eighth down. And then you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and bend the fifth one like that. And then you count 1, 2, and bend the second one up. And then you've got a gun. So yeah, it's a big gun. So I'll meet you later.